Hi, I'm Ismael Vasquez, Technical Sales Manager with Carmelo. You're invited to our free webinar via Zoom on August 24th at 3 p.m. I'll be discussing an overview of all construction products manufactured by Carmelo since 1955. From our masonry block units, pavers, garden wall units for a maximum height of 2 feet, keystone retaining wall systems, pre-manufactured mortars such as stucco, finished mortars, tile adhesive mortars for floors and walls using ceramic, marble, terrazzo, and other tile materials, structural repair mortars with corrosion inhibitors to repair spalls due to corrosion rebar expansion, self-leveling underlayments and topping for interior and exterior uses to level floors in roofs, and our structural concrete insulated panel to build houses, fences, and commercial buildings, reducing temperature inside the structures. Don't miss out on this opportunity to learn more about Carmelo's products for your next construction project. Remember, the webinar is free and will be held via Zoom.